Hello, what's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Magnus Trade, and I am Olisa Emeka. So, let me show you guys what you have to look at for every morning you wake up to look at the chart. So, like this, when I wake up in the morning, this is basically what I do. So, let's go on a fresh page and a fresh chart, GBP USD. Let's go with this forex.com. So, this is a new chart. So what do we look out for? What do I look out for in the morning? So what I basically do, I bring this horizontal line. First of all, put it at where the market began today. That's by 12 o'clock. Put it there. Then the next thing I do is to bring, this is a vertical line. I bring this horizontal line, put it where the market began for the day. And again, I plug in all my psychological levels, which I did in the previous chart, which I did here. As you can see, there are psychological levels everywhere and places of demand and supply. As you can see, there are psychological levels everywhere here. So, and let's go back to the chart, GBP USD. So now that we have this vertical and horizontal line, we basically know where the market began and the exact price it began. So what's the essence of this horizontal line? So the market makers always watch out for these levels. You see, there is it as support and resistance. As you can see here, it was used as a support, here as a support, and here as a resistance. That's how we see this big push to deep downside in this morning, because this is still morning 7:58. So what else do I do after putting out the psychological level, which you do, and I won't do that for now, so you do that in your own chart. I go on to 4-hour time frame. Here I have to put my trend line and then know the psychology. I will know the trend, the overall trend of the market. This is an uptrend. If you go to daily time frame, you can now see the broader view of what is happening. As you can see, this is a clear uptrend. And we can just put this out trend line, put it here, and then extend it to here. The reason why this one is ignored, because it touched here, and here also, so this is not valid, as you can see here. So that's basically it. As you can see, when the trend line was touched at this point, you see this massive push to the upside. So what are we expecting in your mind, and what are we expecting here? We should be expecting a downward push. That's what we should be expecting, to touch this trend line again, break it or retest, and move to the upside. So if you go to 4-hour time frame, you see that point, there's a hesitation. This double top is giving us a double top here. As you can see, this is a double top. This is a double top at this point. So we can see the market rally to the downside. So if you go to 4-hour time frame, as you can see, the downside is really manifesting. It's really manifesting now. And then let's put our mini trend line for smaller time frame. You see, this is how to do analysis, top-down analysis. This is top-down analysis in this guys that I'm teaching you guys. As you can see, so when this price was touched here, we see a push, but this trend line is gonna be broken. I'm telling you, this is gonna be broken. Let's watch. This is gonna be broken because of what I've seen on the fundamentals and what the market, the candlestick patterns here, it's gonna be broken. So before you take any action, before you trade anything, make sure you go to Forex Factory. Go to your Forex Factory and check upcoming news which might affect the market. So today is the 2nd of July 2025. So there's no upcoming news that is coming on this London session. So we are expecting news by 1:15, as you can see down there, by 1:15. So that's a non-farm employment change. So we can ignore the fundamentals and continue with our technical analysis. So this is pure price action. This is pure price action. This is pure price action. So this is basically how to analyze the market. Whenever you wake up in the morning, check the fundamentals, do your top-down analysis, and then boom, you are good to go. You trade like a machine. You get? So that's basically it, guys. Stay safe. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate that, and turn on notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it. And then share this video. So I love you guys. Bye bye.